Hey there, Sam here. Wanted to make this quick video for you on measured moves in the SPX, how to identify them, how to trade them profitably. So we've got the SPX on a 5-minute here pulled up from Thursday. This was a beautiful measured move that occurred. What a measured move is after a breakout. So we have this bearish breakout, beautiful entry bar right here, by the way. And so I'm taking the measurement from the height of this move to the bottom of this move. And basically what I want to think with is, okay, I have this move measured out now. There's a very good likelihood that the market will continue to move down in this direction. So when it comes to a measured move, we usually get one move low, we get a little bit of a retracement, and then we get another move lower. But the game and really the profitability is in identifying, okay, how much lower though? Because it's one thing if we move low, a little bit of a retracement, and then we move low for 10 points before it retraces up, that's not going to be too profitable for you. So I've got this measured out here. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to paste this again on my chart. And now, whoops, see if I can grab this. Okay, there we go. So now I'm going to take this to the height of this bearish move. And oh, would you look at that? Let's see if it lines up here. Wow, check that out. So almost down to actually to the point. So this was a 40.5 point move. This was a 40.5 point move. And you can see the robots, the computers were programmed beautifully that this would effectively be the last price traded, the lowest price traded, I should say, at the close on Thursday, based off of this measured move. But we see these all over the place. And usually what will happen when we're in a trading range, we'll get a breakout, and then there will be a measured move that turns into we'll be in a trading range. We'll get a measured move that turns into a breakout. So what we saw here was kind of this tight bull channel. And let's see if we can find any measured moves in here. Actually, I know there was one right here. So actually, let's go for this one. Let's take the height of this move. Let's see if this works again. And let me grab this. Boom. We'll try this again. Okay. Oh, would you look at that? Almost, again, right on the money. So this is a 33-point move to the downside. Let's see if we can do it again. All we're using these for, folks, is to identify future moves in the market. Here's another one right here, guaranteed. Yeah, so the market's programmed beautifully. And when I say the market, I mean high-frequency trading computers are programmed beautifully to measure out these moves. I mean, notice how these are all within. This is a 32.5 point move, 32.75 point move, 33.75 point move. So you'll see this happen, especially in trading ranges. You'll see this all the time. And this is kind of what we've entered into as of this past week, has been this trading range where we're moving up and down in lots of different directions, but price is hovering, kind of close. We're towing this 4,400 line, and that's really where a lot of the conflict is. But I wanted to present this to you to get you a better idea visually of understanding how these measure moves occur. I mean, you could plot these out hundreds and hundreds of times on any given chart. Let's try and go for another. Let's go for, okay, let's do a bullish one. And let's say that the move ended there. Okay. Now let's see if I can find another one of these moves somewhere else. Okay, let's say from right, yep. And it's gonna be right on the money. So look at this. So from right here to right there, a 35.75 point move to another 35.75 point move. So I mean, you can see these all over the place, folks. Like as soon as this doji bar, this is a reversal bar right here, that moves lower, attempts to make lower lows, but then closes back inside of the previous range. And then we get just the monster mother bar, the entry bar right here. And this is your signal long. So you're just always in long here. And you can anticipate to be out right at this, let's see, what is this, 44.32 3/4 mark for this exact same measurement, or excuse me, up here, sorry, for this exact same measurement as we were down here. So hopefully this provided a little bit of value to you. Hopefully you can incorporate these into your trading arsenal and use them to make a little bit more money. Thanks.